Hello there, everyone. I'm going to be working on a Juniper Nana today. She is in a concrete pot. Let's do a little spin. A lot of grass. She's got a nice shape though, and she's got a little wire on her. We're probably going to take that off too. I might have to put gloves on. Not too bad. I think I'm going to go ahead and start brushing and dewiring now. Yep. Let's brush. She's going to look so good. Oh my gosh. She's going to look good. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Smells good. I had to take a break. It is so hot, humid here right now. No wind hardly, so I had to have some water, but we're still brushing. Still have the other lower half really to do. Oh yeah. So a lot of times whenever I'm cutting, I'm just kind of knowing, oh, that one definitely needs to come off. Oh, that one's dead, take that one off. And then after you kind of get all those off that you're like, oh, blatantly that one needs to go or that one's dead, then you can kind of go back in a minute and be like, oh, okay, well that one, I can fine tune it. Fine tune, fine tune. I think I'd like to pull all of this moss and everything away from this trunk and see what it looks like and do some more fine tuning on the weeding part now, and then come back to this in a minute. Got her pretty brushed though. getting some shape, but and there are some that need to come off, but I may not take all of them off, like some of these small ones that are so tiny. But you know, some of them I may leave in certain spots for just filling, you know, for later when the tree is more mature, she won't need those small branches. But now, you know, leave them there to make her look pretty. She's growing. Okay, let's weed. I'm going to do trimming now. Just spin, spin, trim, spin, trim until I feel good with it. Keep moving it whenever you cut yours. That's the best advice. Maybe look at it high, low, different levels so you can see through the tree differently. So, all right, here we go. I'm going to give her a new apex up here. I think that is all I'm going to trim off for right now. I've almost Dr. Seuss'd her. I was like, well, we're going to leave some branches, you know, you can take them off later when she grows up. And I just kind of went I just went with what I went with, you know. I kind of trust the gut. I made one little bitty bad move, but it wasn't that detrimental, just one I didn't really want to clip off, but she went. So I'm going to have to add a little bit of soil in here, some top rock. And this one doesn't have a rock or any kind of anything in it really, so gonna go find a rock. Oh yeah. So I found this rock. It's kind of a red colored lava rock. It's even pretty on the other side too. Right. So I'm gonna put that. It's even got a little hole through it. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that part. How awesome is that? So right now, let's see, that's the back of the tree. This is our front here. I'm going to put it I think right there. And I'm going to cut this off of here. Now let's do moss. There's our rock placement. I found us a few different mosses. I have a lichen and moss mixture. Some kind of flattish bright green moss. And then I have this one, which is going to be like, you know, a little taller. And that is a dark green moss. We'll put at least one here, maybe. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? What do you think? I'm kind of thinking maybe another piece right there, but I'm not sure. Maybe not. When in doubt, put one there and see how it feels. Let's do that. I think it kind of, what do you guys think? Both mosses? Just one? I think I'm gonna go without it. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you agree. We're gonna go with one, and then the other two. That makes a total of 3. 1 rock, 1 tree. I feel like those are numbers I can live with. Let's add our top rock. Now we flatten it down. Smooth it out. Press it in, lock it in. I don't know about you guys, but it is mosquito season. Brr. When I kill a mosquito, I give it to my plant to eat. Well, I think we're done. Took a little more off than I had planned, but I still think she looks pretty good. I also wanted to comment on this pot. This is a concrete pot, and normally here, I mean, I have like a rim of moss all around it. It's like the pot is alive as well as the plant inside of it. But this one, I don't know if this one has been painted, and maybe that has, the moss is like, no, I don't like it, because I never have to worry about the moss on this one. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna do a spin. We had a rock we put in there, a couple of nice pieces of moss. I like having the different colors of moss, this one being like a brightish green, and then this one being like a dark green. The back of our tree there, and then our lichen and mixture right there. Well, I hope you enjoyed trimming this Juniper Nana with me. I did. I like the way she turned out. Well, thank you very much, and have a good one.